What's good? Whoa. Well, that's interesting. I didn't even know that you could do that. Wow. What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. We're going to go over our friend Polygon, currently sitting at 80 cents, down 2.12 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 6.88 billion, 24-hour volume. 508 million. We're having some tropical rains outside here in Bali, so you might be able to hear it a little bit. Hopefully it's not too distracting. Might help you fall asleep. If you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up and grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. You can email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. If you are in the US and you don't want to use a VPN, sign up to BitGet, both amazing exchanges. All links in the comments. So MATIC is breaking down as we've been expecting and predicting here on the channel. We talked about coming down in a potential wave 2 pullback and looking at an ABC correction within the wave C is 5 waves. So we've come down in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, which was also a retest of this massive rising wedge pattern that we've been covering on the channel here. So if we pop it back over to the 1 hour, now what I'm looking at is coming down in a wave 3. We could micro count this. I'm not a huge fan of micro counting on these really small scales, but potentially this could be a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback looking to come down in that wave 3, wave 4, and a final wave 5. Now, to measure that wave 3, take your trend base extension from the top of that wave 1, potential bottom of wave 1, top of wave 2, you would target the 1.618, which is down here at about 0.714, and then you put in a wave 4, put in that final wave 5. But to simplify things here for the price of MATIC, this is the weekly chart. So we're currently sitting on the 73-cent support. You can see we've had quite a bit of support in this area. We had support right here, support here as well. But if that range is lost, I would expect you to come back down to that 46-cent range, which is your next strong level of support. On the daily time frame, we're printing the bearish cross of the EMAs, the 20 underneath the 55. Hasn't printed just yet, but it looks like it's going to print very soon. So if it does print, and we see a retest, we come up to retest the EMAs, we get rejected, more confirmation of continuation to the downside, as especially when you're in a bear market, this isn't the best chart for it, and you have a fake out of the bullish cross, we almost saw it right here, and you break down, you have the bearish cross, usually leads to continuation to the downside. The bullish scenario is we bounce from here. We are oversold on the 1 hour, actually not quite. We are seeing a little bit of consolidation, so the only way that I would flip bullish is if MATIC bounces, comes up and breaks this high of 96 cents and pushes back up into this pattern. But until then, we can focus on the bearish scenario. If we do start to bounce from here, then potentially you could be looking at some sort of 1, 2, it's ugly, 3, 4, 5 wave move being complete, putting in a wave 2, coming down in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So if we do see a bounce from here, I may look to take a short on MATIC. Currently, I'm in a trade that I dropped in the Discord, which is in some juicy profits. And that's available at 10 USD per month. Like how I kind of slid in that plug there. That's basically it. Zooming out, potentially what we could be looking at is that MATIC won't put in a lower low, but instead all of this was a wave 1. You're looking to pull back in that wave 2 to take you down into the 40-cent range before potentially pushing up in a wave 3. Even if Bitcoin comes down to 10 to 13K, I still think that MATIC has a good chance of not breaking that previous low. It has been holding up rather strong, but we'll have to see what happens. If it does break that previous low, then what I'm looking at is all of this was a wave 4. This was the bottom of the wave 3, and you're still looking to put in a wave 5. This would be an overshooting wave 4 that you don't see very often, but anything is on the table, but I wouldn't consider it until the 0.786 is lost at 43 cents. That's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Make your first deposit, email me or sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, recently gave a trade signal, which is in profits, only 10 bucks a month. All links are in the comments. Patreon, sign up for the trade signals, the analysis, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace, much love.